friends, good morning and welcome in today's vlog. So, ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-vlog. Kumusta na kayo? Kumusta na yung sitwasyon natin dyan, mga peeps? So, it's still pretty early in the morning. We woke up 5 a.m. this morning just to, guess what? Guess what, mga friendship? Guess what? Because of this,
ngitag lechon.
siya naghahanap ng lechon, di ba no? Hoy, today is Black Saturday, di ka pwedeng kumain ng lechon.
Kaya nga, nakahanap ako ng lechon. Walang lechon eh. Walang nagbibenta.
Ayun, so we've been to, this is the third, naghahanap pala kami ng mask guys, kasi yun nga, wala nang bentang mask. So usually maraming lines, mahaba yung lines pag bumili ka ng mask. Shut up. Ayun, so yun nga, then we went to yung lagi naming pinupuntahan na drugstore, pero may nakalagay kasi doon na na starting nung Friday walang cancel na yung ng mask. Ayun, so tapos naglipat kami ng ibang tapos this is the third drugstore na pinuntahan namin. Medyo yung sa translation din, tinranslate ko, sabi pa din naka-cancel. So I don't know kasi kailangan na talaga namin ng mask. Grabe, it's not just about about the corona lang, but kasi malamig ngayon dito and it's yung allergy season, kaya kailangan mo talaga ng mask, especially me because I have sinusitis na irritate yung aking beautiful nose sa lamig at sa flowers. Wow. Kaya yun, so right now it's already 6 a.m. in the morning. And then I don't know, we don't know where to go now. So, ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-video kasi I don't feel like doing videos because of the situation right now. Parang low ang aking energy and I don't know what videos to put up kasi parang may may review video ako, pero parang it's not timely at this moment. I don't know. I just feel like no, parang hindi timely. Maybe lang yung cooking mga video, yung mga hack ba. Yun yung timely kasi yung mga tao nasa bahay. Instead na mag-quarantine tapos yan, laging kain ng kain yung mga tao. Yung mga pinapanic buying, pinapanic eating din nila. Diba? So yun, I don't know, maybe I'll post this video or not, I don't know really. So it's been 3 minutes of talking, so maghihintay na lang kami ni Rocky muna for a while dito. And hopefully may mabili kaming mask today. So I hope everybody is well and hopefully I will see you all later. So this is what it looks like pala outside Baller Baller compound. Wala pa talagang tao kasi it's already 6:16 in the morning. Ayan. This is what we got. It's only like 7 pieces lang yung naabutan namin. Hindi na kami nakaabot sa box. So ayan si Rocky sa likod. Haba ng pila. Grabe. Ay, mas na ako. So happy. Hello guys. Yun nga, lumipat na naman kami ng ibang drugstore kasi nung pinuntahan kami, lumabas yung clerk doon na wala talagang mask yung pinagpilahan namin, and then ayun, naka-hearing basta hindi, kami kasi yung kasama namin sabi meron daw sa ibang drugs, tapos babilisan kaming pumunta. Ayun, nakakuha nga kami ng ganito, yung 7 pieces lang na na mask. But okay na din kasi 298 lang naman siya if compare doon sa ibang pag yung may hot steam na mask kasi tag 450 yun, tapos tatlo lang. At least eto is 7 pieces tapos 298 na. So magta-try pa kaming pumunta ni Rookie sa ibang V-drug kasi sa V-drug to baka meron pang natitirang ano, kasi one person each lang talaga yung pwede. Yung iba, okay sana doon kasi maraming naka-box pero hindi na kami nakaabot ng box. So magta-try kami sana hopefully, tapos bukas magta-try din kami at Sunday, baka meron pa for the rest of the week na gagamitin. Hi friends, we are finally home sa ano, sa search namin sa mask. Ayan, so ayun, hindi nung dumating kami doon, wala pa ring ano so we gave up na lang. So bumili lang ako kasi today is ano pala, uh, Black Saturday. So I really wanted to eat binignit, so I'm gonna make binignit, pero yun nga lang, hindi kompleto yung ating ingredients, but there's nothing I can do. Gusto ko lang talaga kumain, so yung mga slight lang tsaka yun na ingredients, basta kahit hindi kompleto na ingredients, but I'm still gonna make it. Ito na lang yung mga namili namin. So since walang ano dito, walang yung landang, yung maliliit na tapioca, ano na lang, malagkit na rice. Ayan, medyo marami. For sure, konti lang yung magagamit nito. Tapos kamote, and then brown rice. And I also got, tapos meron na akong ganito, saging na, ano, saba, gardaba, basta pag Bisaya, gardaba. And then, ito yung natagalan kami maghanap yung tapioca. Kasi wala na doon sa Lamu yung laging nakikita ko. Tapos, ito pala, nakita namin sa Aukim. Ilang store na yung napuntahan namin, wala. Tapos, buti na lang sa last store, meron ito, yung tapioca. Ito lang yung ingredients. Decided to get etong ano, Lipton na ano, yellow. Kasi I wanted to drink ano, milk tea. Ayan, ayoko nung ano, ready na milk tea na kasi medyo matamis. And then, of course, milk. Kasi milk tea nga, 'di ba? I am toasting bread pala din. And tapos yung bread namin is eto, guys. Yung ano, tawag namin to lubot sa pan. Lubot, yung puwet ng ano, ng tinapay. Lahat ito, yung dulo ng ano, dulo ng tinapay. Kasi gusto ko to. Lagi kong sinasabi ni Rookie, sana lahat ng tinapay ganito, yung dulo. Yun nga, meron dito, puro dulo lang. Only 98 yen. Lahat dulo ng tinapay. So happy to see this. Ito na yung collection ng mask. Ito, pangbata na mask. Maliit siya. Small. 60. May nakuha ko 60 pieces. And ito 3 ano lang pieces. And the rest of this are like tag 7 pieces. Ayan. So bukas Sunday, I don't know if kung pupunta pa kami, but sana makakuha na kami ng ano box para sa susunod na week hindi na kami babalik kasi nakakapagod. Gabi. And then eto din, konti lang din yung ano binibenta na ano, eto, yung 99% na ano, wipe, alcohol type na wipe. Konti lang din, isa lang din yung binibenta nila. So, ayan na yung mask ko. Kulang pa din yan. Kasi dalawa kami ni Rocky. Yung foodie namin, gosa. Tapos, I'm gonna eat my bread. Yung ano, lahat ganito. Yung puwet ng ano, tinapay. Masarap daw to, sabi ni Rocky, nabili niya. Sabi niya ha, I don't know yet. Kung masarap ba talaga, sabi niya eh. Tapos coffee, gyoza, wow! Gyoza. Lamig ka na. Uwish ka.
Uwish ka. Lamig ka. Lamig ka.
Hey friends, so magsisimula na tayong magluto ng binignit kasi it's already 1:30. Tapos kailan pa natin to gagawin, di ba? I wanna eat the binignit na. So, here we go!
Yay, yo.
guys, so while my benignit is cooking, I just wanted to quickly do a little chat with you. So I just wanted to share quickly what is the situation right now regarding the corona here in Japan. So if you hear from other countries na nagla-lockdown na, like the US, sa Italy, sa Pilipinas, na yun, nag-i-enhance community quarantine na tayo doon. But here sa Japan, we are not experiencing that. Kasi as of today is April 11 pala. So nag-announce lang yung Prime Minister that there will be a state of emergency sa 7 prefectures. Tokyo, I forgot what are the 7. Basta all I know is Tokyo, sa Tokyo, Fukuoka, Shizuoka. And I'm just gonna list dito sa screen kung ano pa. Yun lang yung in-announce nung last Tuesday pala na under state of emergency. But the rest of prefecture, like I don't know, I heard I read from the news na sa Aichiken, which is this 5th na pinakamalaking tawag niyan, infected dito sa Japan na population, hindi sila included sa dineclare ng Prime Minister. So the governor is trying to mag-declare na lang ng state of calamity. Yeah, state of emergency pala, hindi calamity, state of emergency sa prefecture. And also dito din sa amin, I don't know how true it is dito sa Gifuken kasi we live in Gifuken. So it's kinda, I don't know, because each day each day pala tumataas yung bilang ng count ng mga positive dito sa Japan, especially sa Tokyo, kasi nga yung dineclare ng Prime Minister is state of emergency lang. Hindi siya lockdown talaga, unlike sa Pilipinas. We are still very free to roam around kasi we are only asked to stay at home, but the rest is like same as usual lang. We are only asked, nasa sayo lang if you are going to stay at home lang. But yung mga karaoke or yung mga bar something, they are requested also to not open, but it's not mandatory. Yeah, it's not mandatory compared sa Pilipinas or sa US or sa ibang bansa. So most of us foreigners, especially yung mga matatanda, are a little worried with the situation kasi nga hindi nga siya mandatory lockdown. So you still have the freedom to roam around. Tapos in that case, hindi talaga mapiprevent yung pag-spread ng virus. So I don't know, that is a situation now dito sa Japan. So kahit I don't know, I don't want to say this, but it will affect their economy, of course, but at the same time it is kind of worrying kasi nga hindi nga matatapos yung pag-spread ng virus unless yung hindi talaga mag-roam around yung mga tao, diba? Dapat talaga at least we don't have any choice. We don't have really any choice because we cannot see the virus. We don't know which person has the virus. So yun yung medyo nakaka-worry. Sometimes I feel anxious because of the situation. That is the reason why I don't have the energy to edit my video, to make a video. It's because of that situation that is happening right now. And yeah, I'm also worried na nandun yung mga anak ko din sa Pilipinas and I'm here, but I don't wanna go home because I don't wanna catch the virus sa airplane, tapos dalhin ko sa kanila. So, oh my God, there's a lot of things going on my mind. And it's making me anxious, really, guys. So, ayun. So, hopefully, makapag-isip yung government ng Japan ng better solution than having this solution right now. Ngayon nga, yung state of emergency, but hindi naman naka-lockdown, diba? So, comment below, guys, if necessary talaga yung lockdown or hindi. Kasi, sabi ng government, masunurin naman daw yung mga Hapon, but Not all, because yung mga youngsters na mga Hapon, they still roam around. And then, ayun. I'm just a little worried. Yun lang. Yun yung situation namin ngayon dito sa Japan. So, mga friendship, eto na ang ating binignit. It looks so dull because walang gabi. Ano lang to? Yung ingredients natin is rice, malagkit rice, dayon, dayon, banana, and then kamote, and then yung eto na tapioca. It's not yung colorful na tapioca because wala dito yan sa Japan. Eto lang yung available na tapioca. Yun nga, yung coconut milk, banana, and then kamote, and then malagkit rice. Yun lang yung ingredients ito. And I will be drinking this one, yung sangria. Ramuni! Yan! Itadakimasu! So now, let's eat our binignit. I've been wanting to eat binignit kasi today or this week is Holy Week. It's a tradition with us Filipinos to eat binignit and biko. Masarap siya. Kahit eto lang yung ingredients. Naghanap ako ng langka, but there is no langka even sa yung canned na langka. Wala talaga. And I did not go to the Philippine foods kasi masyado lang mahal yung ingredients natin, guys. Yung tapioca pa nga lang 300 yen na, tapos ang konti lang. Gonna try the ramni. Cheers! Tastes so good. So strong. How many calories ba to? 18 calories per 100 grams. How many grams ba to? My God, I'm crazy. 250. So, 18 times 2. Yun yung 18 times 2. Yan, mga 36. Craving satisfied. Tastes so good. Tastes like binignit. Quarantine. Hey friends, good morning. It is Sunday. It is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday to all of you, mga friendships. So, today, hindi tayo pwedeng magsimba. We cannot, it's the first Easter Sunday that we cannot celebrate. It's because we are, especially sa Pilipinas, we are prohibited to do, to attend mass or to hold mass. Kasi nga, we are on enhanced community quarantine. Pero dito sa Japan, we don't have that. But still, we are asked to not go to social gathering. So, happy is a little sad and happy at the same time. But otherwise, happy Easter Sunday to all of you. Today is Sunday. I did not have the chance to end the vlog last night, so I think I'll just continue this today. But today, wala masyadong happening. It's just the usual, especially now na we are limited to go somewhere else. So, I don't know how this day will go, but yeah, I just wanted to greet everyone a happy Easter Sunday and hopefully to see you later. Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you this beautiful tree, sakura tree. Nandoon na si Ruki, pupunta kami sa Daiso, but I need to stop here kasi ang ganda-ganda, and I wanted to show you how beautiful the sakura tree behind me. So that is how the tree is looking like. It's so pretty. You cannot see it, guys, kasi makulimlim today, but look how pretty the flowers. Ayan, oh. My God, can zoom in. Medyo ano na, nag-change na sila kasi ganito na, oh. Some are falling na, and then it will turn into the fresh green leaves. Ayan. But it's so dang pretty, guys. And doon, 'di ba? Ang ganda. And so sad this year kasi hindi namin pala ma-witness talaga yung beautifulness of the sakura tree kasi nga, you know, we are not allowed to roam around. Yan, so pretty. Ano, park pala to. Ayan. Tapos nandun si Rookie. Hi, Sid! Hello! Come on, come on! Guys, yung iba, yun nga, starting to fall na. Andyan, ang dami na sa ground, o yung mga petals ng sakura tree. Kasi nga, magano na. Tapos umuulan pati, kaya marami na. Tapos malakas yung hangin. Ayan. They're starting to fall, and I'm gonna be saying goodbye to this beautiful flowers. Huy! Sa kadera, oy, nagfiniler, oh. Wow, Daiso. I'm here at this interior decorating section because naghahanap ako. So, I think ito yung gusto ko. Yung parang daisy or something for spring. Tapos ito yung buhay na plants din nila. So, I'm just looking for something cute, but I don't know. Parang ito. It's cute. Ayan. Yan. Ito din. I don't know. But definitely I will be getting this one. Hi friends, we're finally home from Kaimono or grocery shopping. Tapos umuulan pa sa labas. Oh my God, unexpected. Makulimlim lang kanina pero I don't know kung uulan siya pa tumulan. Ayan, so I need to put away, ayan yung mga pinamili natin, yung mga grocery lang, something essential for the week lang, not too much. But napansin ko, I don't know if nagpapanik buying yung mga hapon kasi yung mga frozen aisles doon, yung mga, medyo wala nang stock or something. I don't know what is happening really, guys. Kung ano lang ba talaga, kulang ba tayo, hindi ba dumating yung mga stock sa galing I don't know where, pero yung sa grocery talaga, yung mga cup noodles, yung mga frozen foods nga, wala na as in pahak. I don't know what is pag, basta wala na. So I don't know what is really happening right now. Basta we are parang we are just trying to be observing lang kung anong mangyayari for this week or something, kasi yung mga stock talaga na yung pagkain medyo wala na sa mga aisle. So ayun, so I'm just going to put away yung mga pinamili namin, and also I wanted to say good night now and say goodbye kasi I need to prepare kasi today is Sunday and then bukas work na naman. So I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always, and a great Easter Sunday, guys. Keep safe all, stay distant from each other. Ayan, we need to do that for now. Dapat we need to be gaman. Ano bang Tagalog? Basta be cautious of others as well. So yeah, hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe and stay healthy. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'll see you on the next video. Oh! Bye!